What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. If you're like me, sometimes you can get carried away with this whole meal prep thing and you end up making way too much food. Now for me, it was always about the vegetables. I'd either buy way too many vegetables and tell myself I was gonna eat them, or I would make a pan of roasted veggies and I would be tired of eating them by the middle of the week, that by the time the weekend came around, I would toss those bad boys out. Yes, as FitMenCook, I can admit that I did toss away trays of food at the end of the week. And you really can't judge me because half of y'all watching this video are probably doing the same thing. But today, you are in luck. We are all in luck because I got wise about not wasting food, but also about being creative in the kitchen in very practical and budget efficient ways. So today, I'm gonna share with you all 3 of my favorite ways to eat roasted vegetables to make sure that there is no food waste by the end of the week. Now this is the same mix and match concept as before, whereby you're gonna make one big tray of food and then just mix and match the roasted vegetables in different recipes. Each of the recipes is very simple to make with minimal ingredients. All right guys, if you are ready to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty, then let's get started. In a large bowl, mix up your favorite veggies. I'm using eggplant, squash, zucchini, butternut squash, and red onion. Add some garlic, pinch of sea salt and pepper, and olive oil. Mix it up, then dump it on a baking tray. And if necessary, use 2 trays. Roast for about 30 minutes at 420. While that's roasting, spray a nonstick skillet and add some lean ground meat. I'm using lean beef. Add some thyme and sage. Chop it up while it cooks, about 7 to 8 minutes. Add some roasted veggies. Then pour in your favorite marinara. Cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, then serve. Garnish with Parmesan and parsley. When you want to change, cook some jasmine rice and vegetable broth, then add olive oil, cilantro, pine nuts, and some lemon zest. Mix it up well, then add in roasted vegetables. Mix it up one last time. You can eat this by itself or add your choice of protein. I especially like this rice with a little bit of soy sauce. Now when you want another change, beat eggs with fennel seeds, thyme, and a pinch of sea salt and pepper. Add a dollop of Greek yogurt and beat the eggs one more time. Spray a cast iron skillet with olive oil, then add some roasted veggies. Pour in the eggs, then add a touch of Parmesan. Bake for about 25 minutes at 420. What's a Texas Lone Star frittata without some sriracha? All right, y'all, that is it for today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it, and I hope that you will join me in taking the pledge to eliminate vegetable food waste in your diet and household. I want y'all to comment below with your favorite recipe of the 3 that I shared, or share one of your favorite ways to eat roasted veggies. It just can't be something like adding a whole bunch of cheese or drowning it in sauce, and I'm really just talking about myself. But if you have a separate idea from those, definitely share below so we can eliminate food waste in all of our diets. Also, if you like this video, I invite you to do one big Serena Slam. On that like button below. All right, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Of course, until next time, keep it healthy, but never, ever boring. Boom! Bye, y'all.